Hi folks, and welcome to the channel. Just taking a little bit of a gap there in the weather. It's been rainy and windy. Just going to fly my 3D printed 412 or 414, depending how many blades you put on. So just waiting for GPS. And weather's quite nice. I mean, it's not sunny, so you know, whatever. Yeah, way too stiff. What are you doing, Mike? It's not bad. Just waiting for a GPS, which we have, in fact. So let's spin her quickly. Up. And we still have GPS. Now I have noticed on this particular one it might need recalibration. Even if I leave it for up to a minute after getting a green signal lock, GPS lock, that she still does quite a toilet bowl. Now I've just flown the FUCH and that was locked in within a few seconds, so it might just need calibration. So now even while I'm talking here, I'm letting it gather into ATI mode, and 1, 2, 3 and run. This is my latest unit. What blades did I put on here now? Let me just check something. Just want to check something. So 1, 2, 3 and a run. Okay, it is standing a bit skew, so but I just want to see something. Okay, so now that's been a good minute since I started, eh? So I'll pop it into GPS. There we go. Okay, now it is actually behaving. Well, it's not bad. Back to ATI. I was going to talk about something now, but now I've forgotten what that is. Oh, there was a chap on YouTube that I commented on one of his videos. Flies very nicely. I forget his name now. And he was so pleased that I commented on his video. I actually felt a little bit, not embarrassed, but humbled that he acknowledged and that I managed to help him out with transitioning to ATI mode, which is really the only way to fly these things. So that was nice, at least I could help somebody. If I haven't mentioned the new Flywing group that has been launched, I'll do it again in this video now. So please go check it out. I'll put the link below. Please join. It's not an official group, it's just run by enthusiasts, for enthusiasts. So we say basically what we want, you know, we're not shy. We're not going to bash any product, of course, because we're not there to do that. It's not called the Flywing bashing group, it's the Flywing support group. So please go join, and let's all just have a good time, you know. That's basically all we want to do. I must say this thing is pretty nice in the sky. It is almost one of my favorite helis, and that is after, I don't know who posted the original when I saw this for the first time. I think it was Daryl, and I said, yeah, not my cup of tea or something. But now I can't stop looking at this thing. It is so nice, actually. It is so nice. So thanks for that, bud. If it was you, Daryl, I don't know who it was. It could have been, I don't know. It doesn't matter. So we're still in GPS mode here. I mean, that is now locked solid, guys. That is just pretty ludicrous. I hope that the H scale doesn't rise up like this. It should just sit there, because you see this is going up to that distance on its own. So if I'm here, look at that, you see, it goes up half a meter. It doesn't like to sit here unless I hold it there. I can hold it there, but if I let go, it goes to, well, I suppose it's a bit all over the place, but that's pretty dialed in there, guys. Okay, back to Atty. Man, I love this thing. I love all of them, actually. I also even like the new my slip-on fuselage for the 450 FW 450. The boblin, let's call it that. It's funny I can't do this the other way. Let me just get a little bit of height. Half a mistake high. I suppose I can, but not as nice. Anyway, doesn't matter. Okay, there's my 8 minutes up. I've blabbered enough. So guys, we'll see you in the next video, which I hope is the Ace is only going to arrive in about a week and a half's time. Then it's going to take me a good week to actually produce the video. I want to make a very nice one for you, not just a slapdash thing. Back to GPS while I walk there. Wow, look at this thing, eh? 8 minutes on a little 2200. Let's see how long it lasts, just as a matter of interest. It should be about 10. Should be about 10. So we're still in ATI mode here. Back to GPS. Still in GPS now, and we're at 9 minutes. So yeah, good 10 minutes. Okay, let's land. So here we go. Thank you very much, guys, for joining. Please join the group, and we'll see you soon. I need to loosen those blades a fraction. That's why it's doing this. Let's have a look, actually. Yeah, way too stiff. What are you doing, Mike? That's why it was vibrating. So, okay, before I go, so this, I don't know why I made them so stiff, but this is way too stiff. You'll see if I do this. I hope this is in shot. Like, I mean, that's too stiff. Obviously I put these on in a hurry, wasn't watching, but that's why you get that shake, because this thing is usually butter smooth. Anyway, we'll see you next time.